Today's video is about data visualization. Watch until the end for steps on creating a simple dashboard that is useful for your office or business. First, go to your data table, then navigate to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Choose to insert the pivot table into a new worksheet. For the first table, I'm going to select Department and Amount. Put Department into the row box and Amount into the value box. Then copy and paste the table into another cell. Next, deselect Department and select Plant. Again, copy and paste the table. Then, select Months. Then, we will create one more table to show the salary cost by gender. Next, we are going to add pivot charts to each and every table. Let's cut and paste the pivot charts to a new worksheet. You can format these charts the way you want and follow the steps to the other tables as well. As the final step, we will connect these tables to a slicer.